Would you rather give me a kiss or slap my cameraman?
Would I get a kiss?
So give me a kiss. Come, on my lip. Kiss the man.
No!
So slap me harder then. So kiss Shelby then and stop waste my time then. What's up, guys? Yo, you don't know, it's your boy Roy, it's your boy Toy, iHeart Manii. That rhyme?
No.
We did a prank today for you guys. Pang, take it away.
Yo, for loyal supporters, you don't know, bless up, respect, manners, be love. I swear to God, I just love you. Please, just drop the like. I don't know what to add to get message. So basically what we did today, we'll go around and ask people, would you rather? You know, would you rather? And it continues. Said,
hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit every other button. Hit your girl button, okay?
Remember the ads. Remember the ads.
Stop, camera! Stop, man! I have to bleep out that. Oh, yeah. Stop giving me work now. I'm to your dog. Yo, bro, what going? Everything good? Huh? Everything good? I get a let's see it. My name Manii. So, would you rather give me $100 or get that girl a number? I have to choose.
Alright, man, I'll try to get that number.
I'll try to get that number.
Hello, good day.
Hi.
Yeah, what's your name?
Donnie.
What?
Donnie.
Donnie? Alright, so I was just there to come over here and ask if I could get your number. Bruh.
Yo, so you don't know here with
Done, yep.
So would you rather give me 15 push-up right now or you give me $100? Which one?
Yeah, man, me give you $100, okay?
Give me $100 for the water bill, you know. I see it here. Up to my boss. I don't know things that they will do out here. No fear, $100.
Alright, so would you rather give me $100 right now or go for that girl a number? That girl in the yellow. Oh, take the mic.
I am supposed to come here. That's it for your number, right?
What's your name?
Janelle.
I'm just asking you one. You ready? It's graphic, you know, but you have to just pick one. Ready? Would you rather suck my dick or let your mom die?
Excuse me.
You have to pick one.
No, pick not. You have to order.
Would you rather to walk in on your parents having sex or them walking upon you having sex?
I'd rather walk in upon them still.
That's gross.
I'll close my eyes.
You're disgusting.
I don't want them to see me.
So would you rather suck my dick or let your mom die?
That's what I said.
I'm sorry?
Mother not dead.
There.
My mother is not dying.
So you're gonna suck my dick then?
Fine.
I'm sorry?
Fine.
So you're gonna suck my dick?
Okay, but mother's not dying.
My nigga.
So the question is,
So
would you? Would you?
Hello, no?
Hi, yeah. What's your name?
It don't matter now. What you want?
Now ask you a would you rather question.
Okay.
Would you rather kiss Shelby on the lips or give me a phone number?
Kiss Shelby on the lips.
This is for you guys. Let's go.
Wait, what? What can I trap this? You gonna give me like a joke? No?
Yeah, give me a number then.
I'll block you still, so it don't matter.
Something for? Hold on, wait, oh yeah, Musa, oh yeah, did Mr. Chang.
I don't deal with Miss Trang.
Fuck you. I'm gonna say you're gonna waste your time.
So kiss Shelby then and stop waste my time then.
What is going on here?
So would you rather walk in on your parents having sex or them walking when you have sex?
Neither. Both of them nasty.
Or would you rather have to choose?
Walking upon them.
That's gross. Would you rather give me head or let your mom die?
Let mommy dead.
Would you rather slap my cameraman or give me a kiss? Come cheek. Oh God, man, him face I hurt him.
Slap the cameraman. Why make that keep all that easy? Slap the cameraman.
Do. Would you rather give me a kiss or slap my cameraman?
Would I get a kiss?
So give me a kiss. Come, on my lip. Yo, so the question is, would you rather give me $100 right now or just for fun get that girl a number right with the band? Alright, so hold this.
Good evening. Can I get your number?
You want my number?
Yeah.
Why? What kind of punchline this? What kind of
It's a dear. Why? No matter, just put in your digits. If I ever make it up. If I ever make it up, how my sound? Yeah.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
So would you rather give me 30 push-up right now or give me $100? 30 push-up or $100? Which one? 30 push-up or $100, my chance. It's a simple thing that. What am I do? What am I do? Yo, yeah, man, son, I big up myself in my charge. You don't know, subscribe to iHeart Manii, is it? I'm a G, up top. What's up, guys? What's your name?
Georgia.
Would you rather give me a number or give me 15 push-up? Which one?
I'll give you 15 push-ups.
Fine, like, yeah, like, oh, you know, like more somebody push up. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Like and subscribe.
Oh.
iHeart Manii.
Don't know the
chefs. Alright.
What? You see me? Where you see me? So, Abigail, would you rather slap in my face or kiss my cameraman?
Slap me in your face.
Go kiss the man.
No.
So slap me harder then. Yo, you win. Yo, I'm done YouTube now.
The 20 push-up or your number? Which one? It's a simple with you, rather, you know. Just a simple, just a little tat on the shoulder. You see it?
So the 20 push-ups are right now.
You have to do it right now, or you give me a number.
You give me a number.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Ready? Would you rather give me a number or slap me in my face?
I'm not gonna talk to you because I don't know you. Manii.
Yeah, then call me Manii.
You can't choose somebody else.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, like shall I drop?
No, I'm giving you an option. Is either you slap me in my face or you give me a number.
I'm gonna slap in your face then.
Yeah. Would you rather give me 10 push-up right now or I see the girl in the yellow down there, so yeah, go for your number.
I'll get her number.
Blood. Come here, hold it.
I can talk to you for a second. Can talk to you for a second. You look like you're in a bad mood.
Not really, but there's one guy that's going to be asking for a stupid question.
Which guy?
YouTube video. I don't know like that.
No. I wanted to ask you for your number though. Because I was looking at you from. So just say IG. And then we can move further from that. No problem.
So, would you rather kiss my cameraman or give me $100?
Yeah, $100.
Say everyone still can give me?
I'm gonna have it, but would I rather again?
No, you have to do one. A joke. Okay. Thanks, still.
Son, oh shit, I'm nervous. Anyways, I want to ask you a question. Can I ask you a question? Alright, so we're gonna play a game. Is a would you rather game?
I know only on my Instagram. But
Yeah, but it's not a prank. It's not a prank. I just asking a question.
What is the question?
Give me a phone number or box my cameraman.
Box the camera.
So go box him, come. Yeah.
Alright. Why?
I don't know. I really don't know. It's for a video. So could I?
You have to give me a reason why.
The reason why they're asking me to. They're asking me to.
Because sometimes I think something wrong with my hair. What did you say?
Alright, so they just dared me to come over here and try to see if I could get your number. Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
I don't like to give up my number.
And I'm just gonna take it for their sake. No other reason.
Okay.
Okay. So what is it?
876
876
38.
7954. Alright, thanks. Just the number.
Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop your fucking lying.